Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing something very different from our usual videos. We're going to be attempting to do some DIY at home gel nails, and I'm going to be reviewing and giving you guys my first impressions of this Yuki gel nail system. So over here I have like all the gel nail colors as well as 3 top gel, base gel and a cuticle oil over here. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So I have my bare nails over here. They are very chapped and not very nice. So I'm just going to be taking a filer to just kind of buff out and make it a little bit smoother first. So I'm just going to do this like for every nail. In front of me, I have 11 gel colors. I asked them to send me like more pastel colors because I think I'm more into like the pastel shades as opposed to really dark or like very vibrant colors. And I also have here cuticle oil, a base gel and a top gel, as well as this very cute and small like UV LED nail lamp that you can fold, and it literally is like so thin. This lamp is like so small and so light, it weighs nothing, seriously. So I think you can even bring it overseas with you if you're afraid that you need to touch up or whatever. But I'm gonna be putting cuticle oil on my cuticles because they're really dry, just 1 dot each, and like massage my nails. Okay, so now I'm gonna start with base gel over here, and I'm gonna be applying a layer all across my nails. So I'm really bad at painting my nails. You guys will see how bad I am, and there's a reason why like I just don't really do my own nails. So hopefully this product will, you know, help to change my perception and my lifestyle. Then I'm going to be taking this lamp that I've already connected to a USB and turn it on. Just leave my fingers underneath it. The default mode is 45 seconds, so I think it's kind of just nice, and I don't feel like exceptionally hot. It's very gentle on my nails, so yeah. It's still a little bit tacky, so I think it's fine to go ahead with the nail colors. I think I'm gonna go with this color gel in the shade 183. This is a color that is kind of like pastel orange. The color is very pigmented and it's quite easy to apply. Judging from how bad I am with nail polish, I think I'm doing quite a great job with this. Oh, it is actually really easy to apply. I'm gonna go in with a yellow. This is 55. This is a pastel yellow. Oh, it's so cute. It's like a daisy yellow color. I love the pigmentation. Actually, the smell is not strong at all. I'm painting it in my studio and I'm not really smelling that much from it. So apparently Yuki Gel Nail is imported directly from US and Europe. So it's made up of really good quality products. And I can see why actually. It's very pigmented. It's just been 1 coat. It's very easy to use also. Okay, the lamp is a little bit like small, so some of my fingers will like jut out of the lamp. So I think it's best to like kind of put your fingers really close together. Okay, so we're done with the first coat. Oh my gosh, it feels like already completely dry. I'm gonna go in with the second coat because I want a bit more color. Ooh, the color is very nice. Okay, I'm not doing a very good job over here, but that's because I'm a bit nervous because there's a lot of cameras pointing at me. I'm sure if I had, you know, the luxury of time to do it properly, I would do it much better. Actually, if you want to, you know, make sure that it's like completely dry, you can always do it twice, like 45 seconds and 45 seconds, or just 45 seconds and halfway of the second 45 seconds. Because sometimes, you know, I think when you apply too thick of a layer, it takes a while to dry, so putting it under the UV lamp is fine. I love the colors, they're so like candy colors. Now I'm gonna be ambitious. Somehow my polka dots are like not the same size. So when you're doing it at home, you don't actually have to do the polka dots. You can just leave it like this. Or you can do French nails and stuff. Oh, it's actually kind of cute. I like it. Okay, I'm gonna do this nail now. Okay, I'm just gonna put it back onto the light. I'm so excited. Gosh, it's so pretty. So they have like a wide range of colors, they have a wide range of finishes, and all of them are super easy to use. So I think this took me less than like, I don't know, 5 minutes, 10 minutes? Yeah, with nail art. Now I'm gonna go in with the top gel to seal everything together. You know how when you do like normal nail polish, even after 1 hour, you still have to be super careful, and it just always happens to me that once I'm done with my nails and I leave the nail salon, I ruin it. Like, that's just the worst feeling ever. Because I just spent like 1.5 hours at the nail salon and paid like a lot of money, and then I just ruin it. Yeah, that's also one of the reasons why I don't really like to do nails. But I think I'm gonna be, you know, a different person from now on with this. And yeah, it's gel nails in the convenience of your own home. Alright, we're done! It took me about 10 minutes to complete this, and I believe if I were to do 10 fingers at once, it would take me less than 15 minutes to do it because, you know, it's super fast. I really like it. I think it's very easy to use, it's very convenient, it doesn't smell. It also comes with a gel cleaner as well as a gel remover. So if at any point in time you want to change up your nail design, or at any point in time you know, accidentally knock into it and one part chips off, you can always just remove it like at the comfort of your own home without having to go to the salon to just get it removed. And I think it's so much faster. I have like zero regrets trying it. In fact, I think it's a life-changing product, especially for girls who are in need of like a quick fix for their nails. So I highly recommend it. You can check out the description box below for the link if you're interested to buy this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are already subscribed, and if you are not, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell button to be notified whenever a new video goes up. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!